Today we're located in a community that's really focused on wellness and health, and I'm sure a lot of people appreciate that. And I'm gonna show you one of the most unique homes I've seen, especially with new construction. A lot of people believe that it's mostly cookie cutter homes that look exactly the same, but this one for a price range at $500,000 offers you features like a courtyard, guest quarters, and some additional features that go towards your health. Let's check it out. Now, stepping inside, you're immediately gonna notice two of those unique features. Off to my left will be your guest quarters that you can use either as a workshop, you can designate this as a home gym, or a hobby space that you can really use for whatever you desire. Now, a lot of people mention that they want a 3-car garage, and most of the time it's not really so that they can store a third vehicle, but it's because they want the additional space to do whatever they want with it. So that provides that while still maintaining a 2-car garage with you there, with a tankless water heater and an included rainbird sprinkler system. And right next up is your private courtyard. Right in the front of the house, you can actually close off this foyer entrance here with a gate and let your pet not only have access to the backyard, but also to this space here. And you can actually host some outdoor gatherings here, maybe a bonfire there. Now let's go ahead and check out the inside of the house. Now, welcome inside. Immediately, you're in this grand entrance with high ceilings. We will check out in a bit once we get to the living room. You will have a work from home office allowing you to be productive from home. You're actually gonna have views to your quarters as well as your courtyard. And let me close this door up here. Walking past, you actually have what I was mentioning, these high ceilings here in your living room, making the space feel very breathable, open, and inviting. You can actually have most of your lights off and still have very good amount of light coming in, which lowers your light bill. And right next to it is your kitchen and formal dining area. Here you can go ahead and put your dining table, be connected as it is an open concept floor plan. And you are gonna have a quartz island, two-tone cabinets with nearly floor to ceiling and a beautiful backsplash. Appliances included as well. And one thing I do wanna mention that I did see in the model home that they did with this area over here, they actually added a accented wall, put a floating shelf above, and then added some vegetation up top, which I think was super cool. Now, moving forward, I do want to show you guys the primary bedroom, which is located towards the front of the property, giving you views to, again, your courtyard. And you will find carpet in here for that cozy feel. But here you can imagine if you have your dog outside, you wake up first thing in the morning, you see them and greet them. Or if it's later in the day, you can also keep tabs on your kiddos while they're playing outside. And of course, it's gonna come with its primary bathroom, offering you dual sinks, a stand-up shower there. And one nice feature they added was this vanity for the lady to get ready. You have an additional towel space here and your water room in there. And at the very end, you do have your closet, which is, again, a very good size. Now, before we head upstairs, one last thing, your laundry room will be located here in the first floor, very accessible to the primary bedroom. And right next door for your guests, you do have a half bath here. There you go. Now let's go ahead and check up the upstairs. Now, as soon as you walk up the stairs to my left, you are gonna have your second living space, an abundance of light coming in. And another nice feature this home specifically offers is that you're gonna have no rear neighbors, so you actually have views to the rest of the community. And then walking trails, as this community does offer wellness, they wanna make sure you have some good walking trails to get in those steps. Now, moving forward, another way this home allows you to save money is with their insulation. They actually use spray foam, not only inside the walls, but up above into the attic. And I wish you guys could feel, but what the sales rep did here, actually made a stand here, brought down the ladder, and we could actually feel cold air coming in from the attic, which is super unique. That's that spray foam doing its work, keeping even the attic cool, which overall keeps the home cooler. To finish upstairs, you do have 3 additional bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms. You can find 2 bedrooms here with a shared bathroom. And at the end, if you do have an older teenager or people staying over at your house, you have this last and final bedroom. And what makes this one special is that it is a ensuite. So whoever may be occupying this bedroom will have their own sink and their own tub and shower combo there. And now finally, we can check out the backyard where you do have no rear neighbors. Like I mentioned briefly, you do have a covered back patio. If you like relaxing outside, you can go ahead and enjoy the views. and be reading a book, for example, all while still being covered by the shade. And I also really like this fence that they added compared to the ones you have on the side. It kind of makes it feel more open. Now, in order to get into a home like this, you really only need about $18,000 down with a good credit score, and they will actually give you a $20,000 incentive to go ahead and play around with, whether you want to use that to lower the price, lower your interest rate, or help with your closing costs. If this is a home that interests you and the community, you can find more information down in the description, as well as my contact so that you can schedule a private tour. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.